if I can't have you? I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got...
Hey, is that my residence nanny? Hey you guys, it's your girl Cleo, and I am back with another video. So I guess we're gonna go on a journey together. So as y'all know, I just be vlogging, or I'll say my piece on, you know, how I feel about a situation, or yada yada yada. Y'all know me, always going off or whatever, but that's neither here or there about this. So basically with this whole segment, you guys are gonna come with me. Like, we're going to, now I'm leaving school, so don't mind this, but I am literally going to take y'all on the trials and tribulations of me starting my business. Like, I want to come up with an all-around lash, accessory, lip gloss, like everything that you basically need and want. I'ma have it. It's going to be literally a one-stop shop. Like, I'm not gonna, you know, I'm not gonna shorthand you guys. I'm not gonna let you, because I mean, everybody wants to start a business, but nobody is trying to even give you the steps of how to start a business. And some people just be so janky, and they be like, oh well, you know, I can't really tell y'all everything because you gotta go out and do the research yourself, and you gotta, of course everybody has to do the research. Like, what I'm about to tell y'all, y'all not gonna 100% say, oh, I believe her and I'm gonna do exactly what she do and get the same results. Like, you can't replicate somebody else's design and hope that you're going to get the same results, because that's not going to happen. Everything doesn't work for everybody. I could have came out this way. Oh, never mind. Everything doesn't work for everybody, so of course you're going to have to learn how to do things on your own. But if I can even give you the first step in showing you how to do it on your own, then when it's time for you to even, you know, if you even choose to start a business on your own, then you'll be like, okay, I know that I got to research the business. And then when it comes to me buying, because don't nobody really have that much money. Hey, people, y'all, when y'all start a business, it's a real life investment. But you know, like, you're going to win money, you're going to lose money, but at the same time, it's like, you don't need to lose that much money with trying to start your business. So basically, I'm just, you know, so I am about to go to IKEA because I watched this girl on, sorry, I'm texting Paul. Oh, I'm about to go to IKEA because I watched this girl on Instagram. She basically made her own desk instead of already buying, like, so it's the Alex drawers. I guess you take that and the tabletop and put it together. So basically, I'm about to go to IKEA to see if I can price and at least pick up majority of my items today. If I see anything else that I need while I'm in there, then I'm most definitely going to grab it, because I need a desk in my room, especially for storage. With you having a, but if you have a business, storage is going to be your #1 best friend. Like, I promise you, there's no way that you can shorthand yourself. There's no way that you can, like, say that you have too much storage. You're always going to need storage, like, especially when it comes to your product. Like, you're always gonna have to find somewhere to store it. Like, it's a little crazy. Like, you're gonna have to have storage. So I feel like to start off, my Alex drawers will be perfect. I did see this one girl that used a scrapbook storage little rollaway situation, which was pretty cute. I kind of felt like the storage cases wasn't that big, so if you do have a lot of product, you're going to have multiple to put a lot there. So that's neither here or there, but I'm gonna start off with the Alex drawers, because of course on one side is going to be nothing but shipping, office supplies, plus I am in school, so it's going to be those supplies too. But on the other side is going to be my start off inventory with my lashes, my lip gloss, my accessories, you know, all the that third. So I'm probably just gonna get one Alex drawer, and I'm gonna get the tabletop today, and then next week, because remember, we got a budget, you guys. I'm still working full time. So next week I will be getting my, next week I'll be getting, sorry, I'm tired. Next week I'll be getting my other Alex drawer and probably a desk lamp. And I was inside of Marshall's. I gotta cut this car off. I was inside Marshall's and I see a nice computer desk, like the chair. So not sure if they're still gonna have them, but I'm pretty sure that that's not the only Marshall's. Or I can go to TJ Maxx, or I can go to Home Goods or At Home, like something of that nature, and find me a nice comfy chair that I can sit in. Because I don't really want like a small stool. I want like an actual chair. No, girl got all this booty. We need a lot of support. So everyone, I made it to IKEA. I found the desk that I want, but it was so many people around, so I couldn't record. This fucking hoe keeps calling me after he. That's why I started reconnecting with him. After he clearly violated the contract, and I told him don't call me no more, and he still keeps calling me. Y'all don't get me wrong, I love my best friend, but he got my damn nerves. Okay. Ooh, I got the drill that I want. Alright, so I made it home. I made my brother bring the Alex drawers inside because they're just super heavy. Like, if I would have showed y'all how I was struggling to get them in the car, y'all probably would have laughed at me. So I bought a power drill from IKEA, but I don't know how to use it, so I'm on YouTube on my phone trying to figure out like how to get the screwdriver part inside so that I can at least put the legs onto my desk, or so that I can at least put my Alex drawers together. So I'm gonna tell you exactly what I bought. I got the Alex drawers. How many is one here? It's 5. So the Alex drawers has 5 drawers on it. I got these white legs, and it comes with the piece that you need to screw the legs on. And then I got oh wait, I need to pause that because that's the part I need to see. And then I just got the white tabletop. This is really falling. Ah. Alright, cool. That really fell. And then I just got like this white tabletop right here. The tabletop I think was only like, how much was the tabletop? I can tell y'all because it's on my phone. Hold on, I'm gonna tell you exactly how much everything was pretty much. So the Alex drawers was $89. The tabletop that I got was $9, and then these legs was only $4 a piece. Plus my drill, I only paid $133, which isn't actually that bad. So that was pretty much a steal. Right here on this area, I am going to clean all of this out. This right here, my 6 square cubby, I think I'm gonna end up taking this and put it on that side, because I actually do have a lot of room in here, surprisingly, and just leave my desk and stuff on this wall. This color I might just swap. I don't want this color on my wall, so I might just get like a new color. And I think that's pretty much it. These curtains that I have are not mine, they're my brother's, so I am going to get new curtains. My bed, I did find a new style bed that I want, so basically we're gonna get rid of this bed. I had this bed for so long and now I want a different bed, so this bed has to go. I'm just basically going to transfer my room into like a room / office type situation until I move out again, and then I'll be able to have a separate room for my office. But right now I pretty much have to share, so yeah, that's alright. I'm gonna go back to watching this video so I can learn how to use this power drill, and then we're gonna figure this out. Alright, so I got my screwdriver working. I said I was gonna put the legs on this. I think that's what I'm about to do. I want to do this last. I want to try to build my eyelash drawers. So let's see if I can actually like do this. I might have to put you guys on my tripod versus y'all just sitting on my dresser because or should I use my smaller tripod? I use the smaller one. Just use this one. Alright, so I put you guys on my tripod just so that y'all can like thoroughly see me try to put this together. This thing is like super heavy, so please, because my room is under construction, so do not talk. Don't leave it. This thing is so heavy. I can't even pick it up off the floor. Like, I think I'm gonna have to rip the box open like this. Like, oh my god. IKEA, you should really be ashamed of yourselves for this. If all fails, I'm calling my dad. This is ridiculous. Like, I couldn't even open it. Where my box better go? On days like this is when I wish I was married because oh, there we go. Me and my husband will put this together. Honestly, I think while we drunk too, because this is supposed to be work. Okay.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make him feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, you say, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, you say. Why hasn't he called me back? It's been 3 days. Stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase. So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart. Now I know that it was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy, but hell with it, still a good melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose
Alright, so far this is what I got. I put the legs on the table and I finished building this. The only thing I need to do is actually build the drawers that go inside, and that's why this stuff is there and that stuff is up here. But this is pretty much the setup. I'm not sure if I want to keep it on this wall or move it. I'm still stuck on that, but this is pretty much what I do have. It's pretty good. I just need to get my my chair, and then that's it. So basically, you guys, you already know what time it is. Our girl has to go, but stay tuned for part 2 of us finish building this desk and taking on new things. All right, so until next time, I will see you guys later. See ya. Y'all, they really don't call me Build a Clee for nothing, because the girl put this whole thing together.